Third Supra is the fourth. Another Supra. Ang Supra na ba yan? Another Supra. Hello mga kakolek. Ito na, second video of the shoebox. The latest shoebox that I'm unboxing. Going back to the GT40s. The latest version of the GT40. Grand National Premium. One of my favorite cars when I was a kid. Wow, you know, GTX. Like these cars. Sorry, napansin nyo parang pati yung box na baha. Ayan. Sa Nova. I think that's a Nova. Red Corvette. Rally car. I forgot what this is. Forgot what car this is, guys. And from the box set, I think. Fast and Furious. Supra. This is one of those annual cars. Tomica. Third Supra FNF. Starlet. Second casting yan ng Starlet. Second color. The initial one was red. And then I know there's a third one already. So again, this is a pre-premium Hot Wheels, and you see the screws, the letter R, and custom. Usually ako nagpapalit ng gulong, then pinipinturahan na lang ni Rai. Here's another one. Sinet up ko with Hot Wheel. This is a Tomica Pajero, mini Pajero. The letter R, made by Rai. Premium RX3. Here's another custom Civic from Rai. Wheel swap.
Set for 8:59 p.m.
Right. Here's another custom car from Rai. So hindi pa kami nagsuscrew nun. Naglalagay ng screw. Bakit pakinggan? Hindi pa kami naglalagay ng screw sa custom cars. Classic MBX na rubber tires. Majorette. Hilux. Treasure Hunt. Ram. Another Treasure Hunt. GT40, guys. Mustang Premium. Another GT40. Land Cruiser is the fourth. Majorette. Hilux. Ito para Grand National eh. Forgot this card. Love Life Corolla. You know. Letter R. Right. Customized. They're customized car sa Hot Wheels, customized by Rai. Medyo nasira yung mga tampo sa flood. See the R. So letter 4. Treasure Hunt. Now usually Treasure Hunt, ito sabog raw talaga ang roof. If you notice, it's not perfect. So most of these Treasure Hunt are not perfect. Another customized by Rai. Now the letter R there. Another Treasure Hunt. Charger. Demon. Premium Benz. Premium Evo. Here's another customized car from Rai. Yeah, I think I got this from a different collector, or no details, just repainted. Here's another customized car, say Galant, two-door Galant, classic. So again, So it's customized by Rai. Another Rai customization. Another Rai customization. Dati may eagle yan, nawala na yung eagle. Hilux. Porsche. This is Tomica S13 or S14. The letter R and ready. I think from the box set or forgot. Another majorette. Oh, another customized Tomica. Created by Rai. Vintage Matchbox pickup. Now here's another GT40, the new one. Another GT40. Another Supra. Ang Supra na ba yan? Another Supra. And the Civic. This is supposed to be parang Transformers. Na tanggal na lang yung mga ano niya, tampo. Treasure Hunt. Chevelle. Okay guys, it's 10 minutes. So, mukhang konti na lang. See you in the next video.